This is going to be a quick video of how to replace the starter solenoid on your Honda Fourtrax. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to undo your seat. I've already undone everything just to make it a little bit quicker. The next thing you want to do is locate where your battery's at, which is right here. You should have a little bracket across the top. There's going to be bolts right here. You can take out one from each side. Then this thing pops out. Next, what I do is I unhook the battery so that there's no power or juice going to it. So I've already unhooked these, and then you can take and you can just pull your battery right out. Oh, maybe use two hands real fast. Now that my battery's out, you can go and get to your solenoid. And the reason why I do that is because if the battery here are connected and you happen to touch both sides of your solenoid, it's going to be hot and it'll shock you. So I just take the battery out. You don't have to if you don't want to. And then your solenoid is right here. And so what you're going to do is there's going to be screws or nuts on top of here. So all you're going to do is undo that one and that one. And then these wires just pop right off, just like that. And then you have access to your solenoid. So then this piece pops out. This one looks like it's a little bit tangled up. So then you're going to follow the wire to where it's at. Underneath there's a little button, so you can push the button and then you pull up on this wire right here. Let me do that real fast. Okay, so I've undone these, and so you're just going to pull this piece out right here, and it undoes it. You can just pull this piece. Should just come right out. There we go. It comes out, and then you have your solenoid piece right here, and then you're going to get your new one, which I have over here, and you're just going to do the exact same thing. So you're just going to pop it in there. Looks like this one has a little piece that comes out, another piece of it. So then this piece will just slide right back on there, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take and hook this piece back through there, and you're going to hook it back up, and then go ahead and hook your battery and everything back up, and you should be good to go.